Is he taken? Nah, man. Please, thank you. So, what's up? Why so alone in the forest? Just contemplating. I see. Yeah. Well, what's on your mind, soldier? It's nothing really. Fair enough. It's just been a real hard year, okay? Well, if I'm not mistaken, it's the beginning of a new year already. And if you think about it, it's just a random point in time we give meaning to. I mean, yes, but these kind of things have always meant a lot to me. I see. Yeah. Well, want to talk about it? Not really. Not really, no. Okay then. It's just been really difficult, okay? I feel like I've been trying so hard, but I'm still stuck. Like I've been running in circles and I haven't gotten anywhere. Nothing's fallen into place the way I hoped, and it's just exhausting. I don't even know if I'm making progress or just treading water. Well, at the start of this year, you were grieving, carrying the weight of loss that demanded time, patience, and a lot of healing. Everything felt heavier. Your job, your studies, even just existing. It was like you were in hibernation, retreating from the world to gather the pieces of yourself. But looking at you now, it's clear that you didn't just survive it. You faced every corner of your life, broke it down, and rebuilt it. Not to erase, but to start fresh, stronger, and more intentional than ever. How do you know all that? I'm closer than you think. That's not creepy and ominous at all. Don't overthink it. Just keep in mind, you are now finally free from all the things that were holding you back. What do you mean? Well, sometimes the way forward is backward. Progress isn't always about stepping ahead. Sometimes it's about letting go of the journey behind. Well, that's quite poetic, isn't it? Yes, but it's true. I believe you are now in the best of positions for the most drastic of transformations. I guess so. What is it that held you back last year? For so long, I carried loneliness like a weight, draining every ounce of my energy. Motivation was a fleeting shadow, hard to catch, slipping through my fingers when I needed it most. And when I finally found a place to call my own, I gave it everything I had. Too much, maybe. I lost sight of myself, let go of my dreams, buried what truly mattered. I sacrificed without pause, and somewhere along the way, I forgot the path I was walking, the destination I was chasing, the person I was becoming. That's the issue, isn't it? You tend to forget to question what it is that you truly want. Yeah, I did it in all my previous jobs, many of my friendships, and especially romantically. Work-life balance matters, sure. But at the end of the day, business is just business. And don't lose sight of this. It's your journey. No partner worth their love will ask you to sacrifice yourself. Someone who truly loves you won't want you to reshape who you are, or for you to worship them like they're above it all. Real love, it's grounded, it's mutual. It doesn't ask for more than you can give. I see. It's just difficult. I'm so afraid of rejection, and I've got some serious abandonment issues. Oh, I know. And I know exactly where those come from. But you've got to stay strong. You've got to stop chasing. Nothing will ever find its way to you. if you're always running after it. Focus inward, find your balance. Because balance is everything. Once you do, you'll find the kind of happiness that comes from finally respecting yourself the way you deserve. And in that space, you'll realize you have the capacity to give, to compromise, to love the way you've always dreamed of, but this time, without losing yourself. You're right, of course I am. Make this year your best year yet. Because you know all of this. Do I? Yeah, you do. Oh, geez. What was that? Huh. I guess I did know all that. To be honest, I've known all along. It's just I haven't quite implemented it yet. Let's make this the best year yet. I like that. This year, I will move with purpose, relentless in my pursuit of growth. I will never stop learning, never stop pushing myself to expand academically and beyond. I'll find balance in the chaos and let my creativity flow freely, unapologetically. My passion will fuel every project, every dream, every step forward. I'll keep asking myself what it is that I truly want and honor those answers with the respect I have long deserved. I'll be a light for those around me, lifting them as I rise. And I will love deeply, fiercely, and with every beat in my heart. And so should you.